so first step, you want to take off this cover. There will be 2 bolts right here you got to take out. And then I think there's another one right here also.
Yep.
What is it, a 14? Right, so it's 14. Zap them out. Make sure you keep these bolts.
Oh, there's 2 14s.
There's another one.
Yeah, I just need that real quick. I didn't see this. I didn't see that there were 2 bolts.
Okay, once you got the rear bolts out, just make sure you save these. And make sure and then you scoot your seat all the way back. So you can get access to these. Damn, I think it's stuck on there. That shit's heavy as fuck.
It is. Holy.
Alright, so got that. Take this out. Save those. Alright, that should come out. There's a plug in the bottom right.
Yeah, there's just 1 plug. Might be a couple in the drivers, I'm not sure. There's just 1 plug.
Alright, so this is the plug. This is the... I don't know what plug it is actually.
I think it's just a...
Yeah. Oh, fuck, this shit's heavy as hell. Got it.
Super heavy.
It's heavy as fuck.
Like 100 pounds, 80 pounds.
That's why. I was like flopping around. Maybe like, I don't know. Whew, like 75 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even carry this shit.
Just set it over there.
So we got to go to Lowe's to get a nut and bolt combo for this. Fuck. Dude, you're so close to the curb. Oh, it is something. Alright, we gotta get this nut and bolt combo. Alright, so you guys are gonna need an inch, at least an inch long bolt. And then probably a couple washers and a nut. It'll look something like this. So we'll just bolt right on. Put it on right there. Put this lock washer on. Screw this shit down and it's there. Place all the seat. And I gotta find out the wiring for this. Just throw that on. Got some nylock nuts right there. Oh, we forgot. We didn't check the other bolts. They were torqued down. So they lock in place. I think that's a connection there. Come like this.
Get an angle too.
Oh, dude, this is good. Hold up. Woo. I'm hyped. You like this?
The head height's pretty good too. You have a lot of room. Seats are pretty low.
Yeah, I mean I can see out like the window pretty easy.
Mm-hmm.
at this. Coronavirus.
Corona.
Let me show you that. Look at the old seats. Trash. Fucking heavy as hell. Oh yeah. Here's the new seats. Fucking sick. Fucking sick. Oh, the keys are still in there. This is what she looks like. All the seats installed. Damn, it's so hot out right now. Oh, yeah. That's kind of hard to see. That's the front. You can see the logo. Yeah. Done.
Looks sick.
Got the Andrews 3000 GT.
Fuck that thing.
He said, fuck it. Yeah, definitely is lower.
This is from the passenger.
Yeah, so it's a lot lower, but it does feel nice though. I hate driving, pulling out from it because this freaking bush is like so low or so high. I can't get something. How's that side feel?
This side's nice. My feet are good. Super.
It feels more solid. It's weird.
Yeah.
Whoa. It does. It's gonna take a little getting used to, you know. But after a while, like.
Oh, yeah, especially taking corners, your body doesn't even really move.
Yeah. Like I can just turn pretty fast. What this biggest is like. Yeah, like I don't even turn, or I don't even move this far. This way. Sick. Dude, it's so crazy. Everything's built in, everything works.
And that shore shifter. Speed bump.
Can't really drive that well anymore right now because I have fucking slippers on it. Like I step on the clutch and then my feet just goes around it like that.
Oh, like it actually wraps around the pedal.
Yeah. Sick. Let me just pull up the car real quick. Dude.
Yeah, let me try it.
Just installed the bucket seats, now he's driving it.
Man, yeah, this feels. You're straight like direct right into the steering wheel too.
Yeah.
It's hard to explain, but
What time did we start? It was like 12, 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Like
we would have been done really fast if we didn't have to get the hardware.
2 hours, yeah. We just needed to get hardware. But other than that, sick. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I got some more shit coming in, so yeah.